Hello friends, I'm Sarah Kirkwood, founder of Radiance Real Estate Group with eXp Realty, and it is time to take a look at the latest market action report to see what is currently happening in the Portland metro real estate market. So inventory is now at 0.6 months, so 2 to 3 weeks worth. If no new inventory came on the market, we would run out of available options for the current buyer demand in just 2 to 3 weeks. So what's interesting about that though is when we take a look at the past 5 years, we actually had a very average number of listings come on the market. In 2017, there were just over 40,800 listings. In 2018, we saw just over 41,000 new listings. In 2020, we had a dip down to 38,442 listings. And in 2021, we were back to just over 40,500 listings. So very average. What's causing the inventory to be so low is that we had a significantly higher number of pending and closed sales. So where the average number of pending sales between 2017 and 2020 was right around 30 to 31,000 homes, in 2021, we saw over 35,000 pending sales. Likewise, between 2017 and 2020, we had an average of 31,000 closed sales each year. But in 2021, we had over 35,000 closed sales. So what that means is that the number of buyers has just increased. The number of listings stayed about here, pretty average, but the number of people buying went up. So this is due to a wide variety of factors. With COVID, everybody's housing needs changed, right? So people are relocating, or people are downsizing, or they've found they need a larger home. Maybe they needed a home office, or they needed a space where children could do school from home. A lot of people got a puppy. So there was, a rush on needing rural space and needing a backyard at least, right? And so we just saw quite a few people having different housing needs. There wasn't necessarily a flood more of people coming to the area, though relocation is one factor. But really the increased pending and closed sales were due to just the changing housing needs of so many people. So that's what's causing the inventory to be lower. It's not because we have less homes coming on the market. It's because buyer demand has just been higher. So when supply and demand has changed like that, right, we're just not able to keep up with the current buyer demand. Let's take a look at the average home sales price for the Portland metro area. So this past month, the average home sales price was $582,900. This was a $7,000 increase in average home sales price from the month prior. The average days on market is 32 days. So the sales cycle slowed slightly. The month prior, we were at 27 for the average market time. Now, it's really common around the holidays for the housing market to slow down just a little bit. Typically, we really only see very serious buyers, very serious sellers. And so at the end of the year, it's no surprise that there was a little bit of a slowdown. As for the numbers this past month, we had 1,599 new listings, so just about 1,600. We had 1,942 pending sales, and we had 2,582 closed sales. So as you can see, there were hundreds more pending and closed sales than new listings this past month, which caused that inventory dip. One last thing to note is that interest rates are going up, slowly but steadily, and it is worth mentioning. Interest rates matter tremendously to a buyer's purchasing power, and this is due because it greatly affects your monthly payment, right? So buyers get out there ASAP before interest rates increase and your buying power decreases. If you'd like to get connected with a local lender, or if you have any real estate questions at all, just feel free to reach out. I am always here to be a help and a resource for you.